If you have no clue what you're doing wrong when investing, you can't get better at it. It's as simple as that. That's why today's Peaceful Investor written blog article is designed to help you assess your current investing process. It's an adapted chapter from my book, 15% per year in 15 minutes per week. The generic questions posed as statements have been thought through to help you figure out the steps you must take to improve and optimize your current investing process and skyrocket the chances of achieving long-term profitability. Now, before you dive into the self-assessment, you must promise yourself one thing. You'll strive to be 100% honest and realistic when assessing how much the statements in the written blog article apply to the way you currently invest. I emphasize promise yourself because no one else truly cares about your results. So, not being honest and failing to put in some serious thought when evaluating each statement only hurts you. With that said, let me explain how this self-assessment works. I've compiled 17 statements, all based on my 30+ years of investing and mentoring other investors, and on knowledge and skills passed on to me by my own mentors and coaches over this 30+ years. All you need to do is rate yourself on how accurate the statements are in your case. As you read, it will become obvious that the more you can relate to any given statement, the better your investing process is. As you step through the generic statements, set aside each statement that does not apply to your current investing process, and then think long and hard about why that's the case and how you can make it more accurate to you in the future. I'm not going to give you a specific grading in the written blog article, which I actually do, if you'd like a grading, in my book 15% per year in 15 minutes per week. Instead, my goal is to spur you into giving it your all to mend your investing process, even if only a single statement doesn't hold true for you. Okay, now my be honest with yourself warning from above should make much more sense to you, and you should be ready to check out the statements. So, assess away by accessing the Peaceful Investor written blog article on our website, on LinkedIn, or on Substack. You can access the links in the description below. No email address is required. This is simply an exercise to help you become far better with your active investing. Until next time, I wish you consistent and objective investing. Bye for now.